You want to know how you can grow your YouTube channel faster. Am I right or am I right? So in this video, I am going to share with you 5 ways that you can grow your YouTube channel faster in 2023. Now, this took me the past few years to uncover this information because when I started posting on my YouTube channel back in 2019, it was just like I was throwing spaghetti against the wall. I was taking videos I was doing on Facebook and just repurposing them. I was creating content all across the board in all different types of online marketing, all different types of niches, and I wasn't consistent with my posting schedule either. So over the past few years, I've discovered how you can grow more quickly on YouTube using some very specific tactics that I'm going to share with you today. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you're going to want to start doing in 2023, if you're not already, is YouTube Shorts. And if you don't know what YouTube Shorts are, then you must be living under a rock because they are YouTube's direct competition to TikTok. And YouTube is going to put more and more and more algorithm power behind Shorts because they want to compete with TikTok. So what does this mean for you? It means that if you're one of the creators that's creating shorts, you're more likely to get your content put in the YouTube Shorts feed. And this means that you're not only going to diversify the people that are coming to your channel, but you're very easily going to have the opportunity to get a lot of views on your videos relative to your subscriber count. So especially if you're a small channel, this can be a very powerful tool to go viral. In fact, my channel right now is currently about 2,500 subscribers on my long form content. But my average shorts videos are getting over 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 views. That means that I'm getting far more viewers coming on average to my shorts videos, and people are converting into subscribers. And so they're going to see my longer form content. They're going to see the content in which I make offers and sell things through my channel, and also help to give me the benefits from the watch time for YouTube monetization. So you get different types of viewers that might have never searched for your channel coming across you in the YouTube feed. You get far more viewers, especially for the amount of effort, since they're only 60 seconds, and you get long-term subscribers to your channel. So if you're creating good quality content, on average, unless the video goes viral, for the number of subscribers you have on your channel, you'll get about 10% of that number in views for every long form video. So if I have 2,500 subscribers on my channel, I should be averaging about 200 to 250 views for my long form videos. Compare that to 1,000, 1,400, 2,000 views on the shorts, and you can see how powerful YouTube Shorts can be to grow your channel faster. Now, my other suggestion to you is to focus on a smaller niche. So if you are trying to go after productivity or finance or crypto or personal development, you are competing against people who have huge channels and big brands on YouTube. It's going to be hard for you to grow your channel quickly because they have an entire team. They're just going to be better at their video content. They've been doing it for a long time, and their production value is going to be of an extremely high quality. Now compare that to, let's say you decide to have a very niche channel, very specialized, very specific. Maybe you choose keto diets for women over 40 who want to lose weight and increase muscle mass. Now, that's not what you would title your channel, but if you were putting together niche content for that audience, you will have a much more targeted audience, and there will still be a lot of women over 40 curious about keto diets, and you can expand upon other nutrition topics that you want to cover on your channel. But being very niche specific and choosing a smaller niche early on is something that I wish I had done with my channel, because I know that it would have grown faster in the beginning. The power of picking a smaller niche and being very specific to the type of videos that you create in the beginning is that it allows YouTube to know what type of content you're creating and who that content is for. As you start to get videos to your channel, YouTube decides who are the type of people that it should put your videos in front of with its algorithm. And so that will help place your videos in front of the right types of people that are likely to want to subscribe and watch more videos on your channel. So one of the things that I like to do, this is tip number 3, is I like to SEO optimize for what those people in that specific niche are actually searching for. Now that was a lot of jargon. So what exactly does it mean? SEO just means search engine optimization. So I look to the different search engines, YouTube, Google, for what are the types of people that I want to attract to my channel, asking questions about and searching for. So if we come over to one of my favorite tools called SpyFu, I went ahead and typed in keto diet. Let's take the example of building out a channel for women in their 40s that are looking to start a keto diet. Typed in the word keto diet and you can see that there is a monthly search volume of over 129,000 searches. So that's a lot of people that are looking for information on this topic. And you can find different similar keywords that you could create videos and content around so that you can attract those viewers and grow your channel faster. You even have lists of questions over here, like what is a keto diet? What can you eat on the keto diet? How to start the keto diet? And this list will go on. And you can really get specific and tailor it towards the right type of people that you want to see your content. So I'll go ahead and link this below so that you can go ahead and start using this tool for yourself, for your channel. Now, the 4th tip to growing your channel fast is to increase your production value as quickly as possible. Now, I know for many people when they're starting with their YouTube channel, it's a passion project and they might not even have a business that is generating any profit yet. But here's what I would advise you to do. The faster that you can either learn to edit your own videos or to outsource your video editing so that you can increase your production value, the better. The reason is that there is so much competition for really high quality videos on YouTube today. And if your videos don't have good production value in terms of the video, the editing, the sound quality, people are simply going to leave your videos and go watch another video that is covering a similar topic. So increasing your production quality as quickly as possible is also going to help you to retain those subscribers and to grow the channel much, much faster than by just saying, I'll worry about that in a year when my channel is bigger. It's really going to hold you back. So the sooner you can do it, the better. Now, if you're looking for a video editor, I'll go ahead and I will put a link below to my absolute favorite place to outsource and hire helpers for your business. And last but not least, number 5 is by engaging in storytelling. What? I thought we were talking about tactics to grow the channel faster, Lindsay. I know. But here's the thing. Stories sell and facts tell. So when you become a really good storyteller, when you're not just doing listicles like this video, but you're engaging people into the stories, and you'll see there's a wide variety of those types of videos on my channel, you are going to keep people coming back for more, and they're more likely to subscribe. They're more likely to watch your videos, and the more views you get on your videos, the more likely that YouTube's algorithm is going to reward you and put your videos in front of more people. So when you can really practice telling a good story, taking people along on the journey, making them feel emotions with what you're teaching, training, or sharing on your YouTube channel, you are going to grow much more quickly. Think about your favorite YouTubers online. Chances are you connect with them on a deeper level than just watching one of their videos. Now, you may come to YouTube and need a video on how to install a dishwasher, but the people that you come back to week after week after week are people that have captured your heart with their storytelling. So this is a way to really create a strong connection with your audience, keep them coming back, and to allow YouTube to share that content with more people like that who are going to want to subscribe and watch your videos and help you grow the channel faster. I hope these 5 tips were helpful to you today. I know this was a quick one, and I'll see you in the next video.